Hi guys, so today for Humanities we are looking at the differences between needs and wants. Success criteria is define a want, to define a need and provide examples of needs and wants, also finding the difference between what a need and want is. Okay, so you are going to be producing a need and want diagram, Venn diagram, and then you are also going to be watching a video to help you do that. So there's a link here that says to you, watch the video. So go onto this link, okay, and you'll have a video there about what needs and wants are. So the first activity says watch the video about needs and wants. Then in your words, tell me in 10 words or more what is a need and what is a want. So don't get confused with the two. It's always, I need to have a, brand new bike, or is it that I want to have a brand new bike? So just have a think about that while you're watching the video as well. Then you've got a quiz there to have a bit of a play with, and you are going to create a Venn diagram showing some examples of needs and wants. So I've put a Venn diagram down here if you want to use that one. You're welcome to. If you choose not to use that, you can draw your own or make your own on the computer. Okay, and then you've got this activity here, and it asks you to list at least 3 needs or wants of each person listed below. So if we have a look here, a rock star. So think about at least 3 needs or wants of a rock star. So it could be that they want to be famous. Okay, so that could be one want. What would be 2 needs that they might want? That they might need? A baby. It needs to have nurturing, so nurturing it needs to be cared for. Okay, it's not a want, it needs to happen because otherwise it won't grow. It needs to have food. It needs to have water, I suppose. I don't know, something. A want could be, well, it wants to be cuddled, or it wants to be, it wants its favourite toy all the time, or something like that. Okay, so it's either 3 needs or 3 wants, or you can do a mixture of the two, but really you need to only add 3 things for each. Okay, so that's what you're working on today for Humanities.